Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply blush with the Beauty Junkees Angled Kabuki Brush. The Angled Top Kabuki Brush is perfect for blush but can also be used for contouring as well. So to start, you're just going to want to tap your brush into the blush of choice and make sure you tap off any excess. You don't want to go in with too much. It's always better to build the product up than go in with too much and have a little bit of a mess on your hand. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pat and dab the product right on the apples of my cheek or wherever you would like to place your blush. I like to place mine right at the front there. Pat the product in and then sweep and blend the product out and back towards the temple. Because of the angle of this brush, it really helps you get a precise application, and because this brush is so dense, it really can pack a punch of color. That's why you want to go in with just a little bit at a time and build it up to your desired look. And that's it. That's how you use the Beauty Junkees Angled Kabuki Brush to apply blush. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.